Oh.
I'm gonna rape you first.
Off we go.
And then you.
I'll be bisexual like that mouse.
Ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready!
All right, form ranks.
Reused animation.
Forward, march.
Adventure! Ho!
Where's the adventurous hoe?
Oh no, slow down.
You are a failure, Tentacles.
Epic fail.
That's pretty much that pretty much defines this movie.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Hold it.
It's also a nose hair trimmer. See, now it makes sense, huh?
Yeah. By your powers combined, I am Captain Planet!
He looks like him, actually, just without a mullet.
It's narrow.
No! Caranaro!
Can you narrow?
It's amazing.
But my
Yeah,
lip sync isn't amazing.
Well, I guess you could say he was thinking there. Jesus, right there sounded like he just orgasmed. But seriously, what the fuck, man? It looks like a snow globe.
If the Smurfs and the My Little Pony gang met.
And the snorks.
Huh? Hey, what's happening?
Don't worry.
Help! I'm dead! Come help me! Help me!
Everything's
This
okay.
isn't happening!
Keep calm. You're safe now. Keep calm. You're all safe.
No, I'm dead! And you're taking me to doggy hell, and none of this is fair.
See, I
at
told you
all.
he said hell.
Why is this
Ah.
happening to me? I've always been good. Yeah, I chased cats, and when I was a puppy, I stole some nice juicy steak, but that isn't a good enough reason for this. I wanna
Actually, yes,
call
it
my
is.
lawyer.
Calm down, Smile. Calm down. Look around you. Can you see anything bad? How can you think such a beautiful place can be so evil? And my
Tell-
face isn't that bad looking, is it? I haven't changed into the devil, or have I?
You're right.
Tell me I'm pretty.
Stupid not to have realized.
You're
Beautiful.
pretty
It's a
freaky.
shock. This place is really amazing.
Thank you. Even us Amazons of the sea like compliments. But what's the matter?
Amazon.
I
Amazons?
thought you'd calm down.
Amazons in the jungle, not in the sea.
She said Amazon of the sea, like how tuna's the chicken of the sea.
Ah.
They're all safe. I'll
And
tell you
no, it
everything
doesn't
soon.
taste like
Right
chicken.
now, we're going into the city.
This is right here. Oh, we did not need to see that.
Whoa.
Like groin shot.
I'd rather take a seagull's ass shot any day. Whee!
Where are they taking them?
Right where you're going. To the hospital.
Ow.
Where the doctors give you a special treatment.
Seriously, that pop must have been like very hard on his ears.
Going into treatment?
Yeah,
No,
dogs have sensitive
absolutely
ears.
Not. Out of the question. Forget it.
It's nothing dangerous. Everyone
I'm the Atlantean cowgirl nurse.
breathe when you're in
I'm
there.
also the Green Giant's wife.
Like a fish then?
I'm also
Are you saying
Medusa.
I'll be able to go underwater without breathing?
Of course. This is what the treatment's for. We're at the bottom of the ocean, you know.
But you
Come
didn't
on,
tell them
get
that
onto
by
the
doing
structure
that,
and go to the
they'll
hospital.
become immortal and will never be able to
Are you
leave.
sure there won't be any nasty surprises?
No. Okay, you've stayed on that establishing shot long enough.
Yeah, let's make a whole movie about this place.
They've arrived safe and sound, and they're taking the treatment.
Now they're coming in red too.
Amazing. This is such great news.
What? A toy?
Last, we've got a
Talking
reason to
toy
party.
that's not in Toy Story?
The most breathtaking party yet. One that
I'm so super. Thanks for asking.
Are you starting again? No.
I have to find
It's like, what are you?
Where can it have got to? Goodness, I can't find it, darn! It was here just a second ago. I can't believe I...
things around.
What are you?
It must have got lost somewhere.
Same old story.
Hey, that's
No,
enough
that's not...
now.
Gosh, you have been so
Oh, I know who that is. That's John McCain.
stuck.
Don't shout at him. You know how sensitive he is.
It's gonna be fabulous!
Super fabulous.
Your Majesty, they've arrived. We've just been given the
Ooh. It's Queen Amidala.
Yay, they're here.
And the Emperor.
They're at the doctor's now, and they're undergoing the treatment there.
Yes, I know. We've been told.
We've been told. We do not like it, but we've been told.
The problem.
Oh.
What? I'm sure we'll find a solution.
Of course, it'll be easy!
Super easy.
Convinced them there was no alternative.
Seriously,
They died, or they
why
could've
did
been
they
brought here,
create
where they'll
you?
have to stay for the rest of their
Why?
Of course.
Why do
when
you
they
exist?
realize that we're giving them the elixir of life, and they'll never
It's
grow
Queen
old again.
It's Queen
They just want to
Amidala
thank us
and
celebrate
Princess
life,
Leia
don't you
mixed
think?
together.
Wait a minute. Wait, hold on. Major continuity error.
Fabuloso! I'm gonna knock your socks off.
Ultra fabulousness.
Party that's been around here in the last 300 years.
But she just said they're giving them the elixir of life, which will make them immortal. Then how does the main mouse become old in the first movie?
Look, keep still and let me think a minute, will you? Sorry, I only wanted to say that I'm here, Your Majesty. I'll leave it.
Well, you should have just said that I'm here instead of just blowing in my backside.
That voice sounds very familiar. It sounds like a like.
I can't breathe.
Very
But Your Majesty, this goldfish will make a mess of it.
cold. I'm made of the purest chiseled silver. Oh, I willingly undertake
He sounds
my
like
duties, Your
kind of like
Majesty.
a.
Pingo, please try to
Pingo?
be tactful, all right?
What the hell kind of name is Pingo?
I'll take what I need.
What you need is
Here. Oh, now I'm
is
Oh,
a freaking rainbow shirt to wear and assless chaps
That's
so that
great.
people can
With that,
tell
you'll be
what
the
you
perfect ambassador.
are, what you
I'm
really
sure you'll
are.
do us proud.
I'm sure I will too. I'm off.
So he decides to dress up like Napoleon.
If you carry on encouraging him like this, Pimgo will become so vain he'll end up being totally unbearable.
He's unbearable as he is now.
I don't want to know what totally unbearable is like.
Hmm.
This is the secret city of Atlantis.
It's incredible.
What a wonderful place!
What a wonderful world.
Oh my god, I was just thinking the same
How
thing.
can you exist and nobody knows about you? I don't understand it.
That's easy. We're hidden down here.
So before you
That doesn't really answer my question.
You are now?
Are you telling me we'll really be able to breathe underwater without wearing any masks? Incredible!
And do you think it'll make us just like you now? I have heard a lot of old sailors' tales about
But the thing is so funny when you said, that doesn't really answer my question. Silence!
What have you got to eat down here?
Fish, fish, and more fish.
Starving.
Please, bear
And
with me
lobster.
a little longer. All your questions
You
will
also
be
meet
answered
Dr.
in a while,
Zoidberg.
But I'm afraid I cannot answer them now.
No, don't eat me. I'm not very tasteable.
Yes,
It's my
I'm
sandwich.
listening, sir. Yes, they're fine. The
What?
treatment has
Kill
just
them right
finished.
here?
Certainly, Your
Don't
Excellency.
worry, since you're
I'll do it
talking
right
on,
away.
you're talking to yourself. You
Yes,
can't
of course.
worry about them hearing
Good.
you.
Of course. Your parties are always fantastic, sir.
Oh crap! He's throwing another one of his parties. Make sure to bring extra cans of whipped cream, wear assless chaps, and girl, I hope you don't mind leather and lace.
Discuss certain things with you, and he has asked me to show you around the city while we're on the way to see him.
Thank you. We would be honored.
You needed me?
And we will be more honored or not in part 4.
Get what ready?